Hi guys, Ramzan here. Here in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can integrate PayPal smart buttons into your product page of the Shopify store. This video is specific for Spotlight theme. If you have any other theme, then you should go to shopwebsitecodes.com. There I have already published a lot of codes with different themes. For now, you should download the code. So I have already added a link below in the description. You just need to click on that link and you will be getting a zip file. Once you are extracting that zip file, you will be having these 4 files. Just open documentation.txt. We have all the steps mentioned here. Just go step by step. The first step is go to Shopify dashboard and click on themes, click on edit code, click on snippets. So here is the dashboard of the store. You can see I have installed Spotlight theme and click on these 3 dots. Click on duplicate first. Actually, you should duplicate the theme so that later on if you have any problem, you could able to restore it back to its original version. Then click on edit code and here we have some folders and files. We should click on snippets. Now we have the second step, which is create a new snippet, PayPal-smart-buttons. Copy this and then you should paste it by clicking on add a new snippet, paste right here, click on done. So this will be creating a new empty file where we have to paste the attached code. Actually, we have the attached code which is PayPal with credit dash card. You should copy this complete line of code and paste it right here. Then after, the next step is add below event in quantity input, find quantity underscore input. Actually, we have to go to sections and scroll it down and we have main dash product. We have main dash product dot liquid. Inside of it, we have to find this quantity underscore input and this will be highlighting an input element, and inside of it we have to add a new line of code, which is this one. Copy this complete line and paste it just above this class name, actually inside of input element, and then click on save. Once the changes are saved, then we have the fourth step, which is add your live client ID of PayPal in line number 8. So actually we have PayPal-smart-buttons.liquid. In line number 8, we have added live client ID of the PayPal. For now, I'm using sandbox PayPal client ID because this is for the testing purpose. So you have to paste here live client ID of your PayPal. So actually I have added a video link in the description. You should watch that video and you will be able to copy the live client ID of your PayPal account and paste it right here. If you want, you can also change the store currency. So right now I have added USD. If you have any other like euros, you can write it EUR. You can write here EUR or maybe any other currency if you have. The next step is like inspect quantity selector element and get ID and paste it in line number 9. So actually we have line number 9 where I am adding quantity ID. So right now I have to click on preview store. So here we have the home page of the Shopify store. So for example, I am selecting this product and right click on this quantity, click on inspect, and this input element will be highlighted here. If you don't see this input element highlighted, you should click on this inspector, click on this input quantity element, and then it will be automatically highlighted. Then you should click double click on this ID. So copy this highlighted ID and paste it right here. Firstly, you should delete it and paste the new quantity ID, and then you can click on save. The next step is go to assets, open global.js. So we should scroll in the bottom, click on assets, scroll it down, and we have global.js, and inside of it we have to find this function. You should copy this and you should search inside of it using Control F or maybe Command F. So this function will be highlighted. You can see this is starting from here and ending at this line. So here also we are interested to put a new line, which is this one. This line of code we are going to paste just above this curly brace and then click on save. Once the changes are saved, then we have the final step, which is go to customize product and create a custom HTML section and paste below code. So actually we have to go to the dashboard again, click on customize, click on this drop down and click on products, and here we have default product. On the left you can see product information. Click on add block, click on custom liquid, and on the right you can see an input box. There I have to paste new line of code, which is this one. So actually this line of code I have to paste inside of this input box, and make sure to drag this custom liquid just below buy buttons and then click on save. Once the changes are saved, then you can see that PayPal buttons are appearing like yellow yellow PayPal button as well as debit or credit card button. So sometimes people are not interested to keep buy it now button here. So you should click on buy now button, uncheck this and click on save. So in that way the buy now button will be hidden and the PayPal buttons will appear only. Now it's time to test in the front end. For example, I am refreshing here. You can see that this is the mobile view of our Shopify store. So this is looking beautiful. If you will see the desktop view, so this will look like this. So the most important thing is that we have to cross check the details which we are passing. For example, price, color, quantity, title. So once you are clicking on PayPal button, then you will be, I'm going to log into my Sandbox account because this is for the testing purpose, and you will be getting all the information here. For example, you are clicking on this $30. You can see we have one quantity, winter sweater, red color variant, and $30 is the price. So that means information is correct. But one more thing we need to cross check is quantity selector. If you increase the quantity and click on PayPal button, so quantity must be increased also in the PayPal information. Click on this $60. You can see quantity is 2, winter sweater, red color, $60. So that means price as well as quantity is updated. Now we are interested to change, for example, the color of this product. Then click on PayPal button. So this is the last confirmation. So here you can see that we have blue color, quantity is 1 as well as price is $40. So that means everything is looking great. So now the important point is that people who are not having PayPal account, they will definitely try to buy with debit or credit card because they don't need to have any PayPal account. Once you are clicking on this debit or credit card button, this will be showing you the input boxes where customers can add their card details, add their billing address, shipping address, and then they can click on pay now to purchase that specific product. So in some cases people are not interested to keep this yellow button. So how we can remove it? So actually I have already attached a code. You should double click on only-credit-card, copy this complete code again, and then you should go to PayPal-smart-buttons.liquid and remove this code and paste the latest code. And one more thing we have to update here is PayPal live client ID as well as quantity ID. So quantity ID I am going to get from here. So here I am going to update the quantity ID and then click on save because client ID already I have the same. Now I'm going to refresh the page again. You will see that yellow button disappeared, only black button is appearing. So that's how you can actually hide the yellow button. But for now I have needed both these buttons. So how we can keep it? You can undo the changes and then click on save, and then you can click on refresh. Here you can see PayPal button is appearing again. If you will see the mobile view, it will look like this. So this is looking more beautiful. So that's how you can integrate PayPal smart buttons into your product page of the Shopify store. So if you are facing any issue or maybe stuck somewhere, or you are finding any difficulty implementing all these steps, then you can ask me the questions below in the comment section. I will also adding the contact details in the description below, so you can connect me. I will happy to help you out in any of the problem which you are facing. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please like this video, also subscribe this channel. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.